guys, welcome back to Steve's Cottage Guy, and today, see, an unusual shed or bedroom, because I just got a package in the post from Man in Shed. He contacted me and asked if he could send me some stuff for review on YouTube. So, parcel came, keep steaming, all the best from Martin, Man in Shed. I'll put a link to his eBay shop in the description. But he said he can send me some stuff, so quite excited to see what he sent me. So, the first thing he sent me is a coal scuttle for my T1 traction engine with some Welsh coal. So I'm going to fit that for this video. We've also got a chimney cowl for the traction engine. Some boiler bands for the traction engine. These look like the end rollers for my rolling road because mine are missing them, so thank you very much, Martin. And finally, we've got the wider rolling road for the fire engine. So thank you so much, Martin. I'm going to fit these to the engines right now. Right, apologies for the video quality, guys, because my phone at the moment isn't working very well, so I'm going to use this. But the first thing we're going to fit is the chimney cowl, which looks very, very nice. So we're going to fit this. I think this just slots onto here. There we go. Already it's looking 10 times better. Now I'm gonna see how to fit these boiler bands. They'll go on in a bit. Let's have a look at this. Here we are. So we've got Welsh coal, very valuable these days actually. The bolts and nuts. So to fit this on, that will go onto there. So to fit this, I need to drill holes into the back of my scuttle here, which I will do in a later video, so stay tuned for that. But in this video, I can fit the boiler bands, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to fit the new rollers onto my other rolling road. So guys, I fitted the items to the traction engine. We've got the chimney cowl at the top here. We've got the boiler bands on the boiler. And I'm yet to fit the coal bunker to the scuttle because we have to put holes in the scuttle, and I will do that soon. But I'm seriously impressed. In the next video, I'm going to be in one of the coming videos. I'm going to be taking this out to test on the rolling road, which is quite fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much to Man in Shed, Martin, for sending this to me. It's incredibly kind of you, and they're such good items. Thanks so much. Goodbye.